Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. It has been a hot minute since I used this mold set. So this is a little lantern set, I think is what it's called. And it's 2 pieces, comes with the base part and then the lid. And if you've seen my old one, my last one, which I'll link up there, you just screw the lid on after adding your lights in there once it's all cured, and it looks really pretty. I've seen a lot of people use these, not a lot of people, calm down Megan, stop exaggerating. I have seen a few posts where people have made these for their wedding or special events, anniversaries, that kind of thing, and then they hang them from a tree. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, yeah, I'm not really sure what colors I want to do yet, because obviously it needs to be transparent enough for the light to shine through. So I'm not sure yet what colors I want to do. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm kind of feeling like a Petri style. I think that would be kind of cool, but the only thing with that is with the alcohol ink on the bottom, it would block all of the light from shining through the bottom. But it still might look really cool. I haven't decided yet, you guys, okay? Stop pressuring me. I haven't decided yet. So I guess whatever you saw in the thumbnail is whatever I decided to do. So yeah, super simple and easy week. And I think that's all I had to say. Yeah, pretty sure. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I got a lot to unmold here. I had to mix up extra resin because I had poured the moon from Tuesday and this lantern at the same time, and I hadn't mixed up enough resin for both. So, just going to pop out these little things again. I know, I have a lot of them. They have a purpose, I promise, I swear. Okay. So we've got some more of the little baby skulls. Very pretty. In real life, they've got a bluish purple sheen to them, but here on camera, they're looking a lot more pink with the full light, but you can kind of see it right there when I darken it. Yeah? Okay. I also grabbed one of these little wings. Very pretty. Okay, and then a feather bookmark. That is really pretty, actually. I really like that one. Alright, and those are all of your bonus unmoldings. A lot today. Alright, friends, let's dig into these. I do remember this lid being pretty easy to demold. Hopefully I'm remembering correctly. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Sticking my thumb in there to kind of loosen it up. Woo! Knocked over a cup. Okay, let's put this back into shape. And there we go. Again, the lighting is making it look much more pinkish purple on camera. Let me try this. Let me try turning off just one of the lights. Yeah, that helped a little, but not really. Anyway, the lid screws on. It's nice and tight. And then I showed this last time. Let me turn that. There we go. It comes with some lights. I have already went through, it came with 6. 3 of them were white and 3 of them were colored. So I had already gone through and labeled all of those. And you just stick them in there. Get in there. And then you just screw your lid on. Let me turn all of the lights off. You can see the colors on my hand. You see the different colors, but it's just a little too bright for my camera to really pick it up, but it's very, very pretty in person. So definitely stick around for those glamour shots if you want to see what it looks like in real life. But anyway, that's my shiny, bright and happy ending to this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.